Back on the stand, Mark, after a short lunch break. She is heavily pregnant, 8.5 months pregnant. I was just speaking to a lawyer who said that she's the most heavily pregnant witness they've ever seen in a courtroom. And in fact, P. Diddy, Sean Combs's legal team made the request, it was denied by the judge, but made the request that she didn't walk in front of the jury because they believed it may emotionally sway the jury in her favour. But certainly the testimony that Cassie Ventura has been giving is incredibly powerful. She was in a relationship with Sean Combs for just over a decade, an on-off relationship that ended in around 2018. But she is describing a control dynamic. She said that Sean Combs was incredibly controlling, deciding what she wore, where she went, who she spoke to every minute of every day. She said the prosecution will be relying on Cassie Ventura heavily in order to prove to the jury that he is what they say, which is a sex trafficker and a racketeer. She was being asked this morning about these drug-fuelled sex parties that P. Diddy is alleged to have held, which he called freak-offs. She said that these freak-offs became a job to her. She said there was no space to do anything else. She said she was forced to stay out for days on end, to take drugs and drink, to have sex with strangers. She said that these freak-offs would sometimes last 72 hours. She said the longest one was 4 days, and even more on and off, she said, including periods to recover from the drugs and dehydration. She said that they had a violent relationship and that Mr. Combs would beat her on occasion. She said she suffered black eyes, red eyes and bruises all over her body. So incredibly disturbing testimony. And listening to that testimony, there are 6 of Sean Combs's 7 children. Goodness knows what they must think hearing such graphic details about their father's sex life. So Cassie Ventura continuing to give evidence. Sean Combs denies all the charges against him.